If you're still asking yourself, do I really need to learn English? This video will answer that question once and for all. By the end, you'll understand exactly why English isn't just a subject you studied in school. It's a skill that can change your entire life. More job opportunities. Let's start with the most practical reason: jobs. Whether you want to work locally or abroad, most well-paying jobs today require some level of English. Customer service, IT, tourism, aviation, even freelancing online. Companies don't just want skilled workers. They want people who can communicate clearly with clients, teams, and customers from different countries. If two candidates have the same skills, but one speaks confident English, guess who gets hired? Access to the internet's knowledge. Here's something most people don't realize. Around 60% of all websites are in English. That means tutorials, courses, research papers, and even AI tools like ChatGPT and YouTube content work best in English. You unlock access to an entire world of free knowledge that others don't have. Confidence in travel and social situations. English is the most widely spoken second language in the world. If you travel, English lets you order food, ask for directions, make friends, and handle emergencies, even in countries where you don't speak the local language. It's like a universal key that opens doors almost anywhere on Earth. Self-confidence. And honestly, this might be the most important reason. When you can express yourself clearly in English, you feel more confident. In interviews, in meetings, even in everyday conversations. Confidence in English often becomes confidence in yourself. So, if you're serious about improving your English, you're already in the right place. On this channel, I share real conversations for shopping, interviews, and business English. Practical phrases you can use immediately, not just boring grammar rules. Subscribe now, and let's improve your English together. One video at a time. I'll see you in the next one.